Good morning class. As yesterday we have ended with chapter 4 from our reader book. Now today we are going to start with a new chapter in our reader book, that is chapter 5, Our Street, which is on page number 21. So today take out your reader books and open to page number 21. And today I am going to explain you this poem Our Street, which is written by C.J. Dennis. In this poem, Our Street, there is a boy who is telling about the street which is running through the town, and he is telling, in this the poet is telling us that it's a busy street in which some or the other person is buying or selling the things. Here we have been told about butcher, cobbler, baker. All these men are doing some or the other things in this poem. Now, as we have got about the summary of this poem, now let us begin with the explanation of this poem from our books. So take out your books and open to page number 21 in your English Literature Reader book. Today, as I told you, that we are going to start with the explanation of new chapter in our reader book. That is chapter 5, Our Street. So take out your reader books and open to page number 21. This is the chapter 5, Our Street. Now let us begin with the explanation. In our street, the main street, our street is the main street one. That means this is the main street on which we get all the things, and it is the busy one running through the town. This street is running through the town, and this one is the main street. You see a lot of busy folk. You see a lot of busy people here. In the picture you might also see that all the people are busy doing each and other thing. Some are selling the grasses, some are selling the meat, someone is selling tomatoes, someone is selling chocolates. Like this, all the peoples are busy here, going up and down, and they are moving up and down. Bag men and basket men. Some are carrying bags and some are having the basket in their hand. So it is being referred to as bagmen and basketmen. Men with lots of hay. Hay over here is the grass that has been cut and dried for eating of cow and animals like this only. The grass which have been dried up for eaten up by animals. Men with lots of hay. I hope you all can see this man who is carrying the hay. Hay is the grass which is being cut for cows eating, dried up for cows eating. Buying things and selling things. Someone is buying and someone is selling. That means like this man is buying from this man, and he is the seller and he is the buyer over here, buying and selling things and carting things away, and someone is carrying things from somewhere to another place. The butcher is a funny man. The butcher over here is a funny man. Butcher is the person who sells meat, so he is the funny man. He calls me Danny Dick. He calls me through a name named as Danny Dick. The butcher is calling me as Danny Dick. The baker is an angry man, and the baker is a person who bakes cakes like this. This is a baker. So baker is an angry man, angry young man, we say na. I think he is often sick, and I am thinking that he is not well. Now turn to page number 22. The fruit seller is a nice man. Fruit seller is a fruit tater is a retailer of fruits. That means he is selling fruits, but he sells in retail. He's a nice man. He gives me apples too. And he's giving me apple too. The grocer says grocer is a person who sells grocery items. The grocer says, "Good morning, boy. What can I do for you?" When I have gone to the grocer, he's asked me, "Good morning, boy, and what can I do for you?" Of all the men in our street, I like cobbler best. Of all the men moving through the street, I like most the person is the cobbler. The best person in that is the cobbler. Cobbler is a person who mends shoes. When a shoe gets unstitched, we go to the cobbler to get it stitched. Tapping, tapping at his last. He is touching or hitting some of the other thing, and at the last, he is just tapping without a minute's rest. And he is just tapping that shoes without a single minute rest. Talking all the time, he taps. While he was talking to me, then too he is tapping the shoes. He is tapping or beating the shoes only while talking to me also. Driving in the nails. Driving in the nails means to do something that is causing serious harm. He is doing like this that is causing something harmless to him. Smiling with his old grey eyes. It is the color of a person. The color of the person, and his eyes were smiling like angels. This is being referred to as the smiling. His old grey eyes over here is like the cobbler smiling like the angels. Hush telling fairy tales. Hush telling fairy tales means he's telling to somebody to be quiet or to stop talking and crying. He is doing like something that he wants to tell someone to stop crying. He's doing to me like this by C.J. Dennis. Now, here we complete with the explanation of this poem. We can say the poet of which is C.J. Dennis. Now here we complete with the explanation of this. I hope now poem is clear to all of you. Homework for you all is you have to read this poem, and if you have any doubts regarding this poem, you can ask me. Thank you.